ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு அடிக்ட் டு லேர்ன். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் ஸ்பீட் குவிஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். லாஸ்ட்டாக ஜான்வரி மந்த்துக்கான இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஷின் ஸ்பீட் குவிஸ் போயிடுச்சு. அது பார்க்காதவங்க போய் பார்த்துருங்க. அண்ட் இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது ஃபிப்ரவரி மந்த்துக்கான இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஷின்ஸோட ஸ்பீட் குவிஸ். 15 மினிட்ஸில் டாப் 50 இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். நான் இது அஃபேர்ஸ் க்ளவுட் வெப்சைட்டில் இருந்து தான் எடுத்திருக்கேன். அண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் க்ளவுடில் படித்தவங்களுக்கு இது ரொம்பவே யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். ஸோ இது பார்த்திங்க அப்படின்னா ஒரு குவிக் அண்ட் ஸ்பீட் ரிவிஷன் குவிஸாக தான் இருக்க போகுது. ஸோ அப்கமிங் எக்ஸாம்ஸ் எல்லாத்துக்குமே ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். நீங்கள் சீக்கிரமே ஒரு 15 மினிட்ஸில் ஒரு கம்ப்ளீட் மந்த்தை ரிவைஸ் பண்ண மாதிரி இருக்கும். அண்ட் உங்களுக்கு குவிஸ் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணுறது மூலிமா ஒரு கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ் லெவல் பூஸ்ட் ஆகும். ஸோ எஸ்பெஷலி இஎஸ்ஐசி, யூடிசி மெயின்ஸ், ஆர்பிஐ அசிஸ்டன்ட் மெயின்ஸ், எஸ்எஸ்சி எம்டிஎஸ்க்கு ரொம்பவே யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். அண்ட் ஆன்சரை கமெண்ட்டில் லைவ் சாட்டில் மறக்காமல் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுங்கள். யோர் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஷின் இஸ், அண்ட் ஆஸ் யூஷுவல் நான் சொல்கிற மாதிரி வாய்ஸ் வேண்டாம் அப்படின்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா மியூட் பண்ணிவிட்டு வீடியோ பாருங்கள். Which company recently announced that it will land the multi-terabit India-Asia Express undersea cable system in Humail, Maldives to connect India and Singapore? Answer: Reliance Jio Infocomm Limited. Name the organization that recently signed a loan agreement of $68 million with IIFL Home Finance Limited to improve financial access to affordable green housing for lower income groups in India. Answer: Option 4, Asian Development Bank. Name the country that recently tested the Iron Dome based naval defense system named Sea Dome or Protective Dome by Maven Naval Warship. Answer: Israel. Which bank recently partnered with Indoor Clean Energy Private Limited to fund Asia's largest bio-CNG plant, Govardhan, Indore, Madhya Pradesh? Answer: HDFC Bank. In February 2022, Indian Railways and Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited commissioned India's first solar photovoltaic plant with a capacity of 1.7 megawatt in Bina, Madhya Pradesh. Which state or union territory became India's millionaire capital with 20,300 millionaire households according to Who Run India Wealth Report 2021? Answer: Mumbai, Maharashtra. Which company recently launched a new payment platform named IATA Pay along with the International Air Transport Association to enable instant airline payment? Answer: Standard Chartered Bank. மறக்காமல் உங்களோட ஆன்சரை ஆப்ஷனை கமெண்ட்டில் லீவ் பண்ணுங்கள். So which of the following points are correct with respect to the Delhi Cabinet approval in Feb 2022? Mention the answer in comment column, and the answer is option 5, all 1, 2 and 3. Which bank recently signed an agreement with National Hydropower Generation Company to monetize ROE of 540 megawatt Chamara 1 power plant in Himachal Pradesh for 10 years? Answer: HDFC Bank. Which ministry recently developed the Ombudsperson app for MGNREGA to ensure transparency of e-governance? Answer: Ministry of Rural Development. As per the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Dash became the top state in overall installed renewable capacity by surpassing Karnataka, and Dash is the first state in India to cross 10,000 megawatt of total solar capacity as of February 2022. Answer: Tamil Nadu and Rajasthan. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the MSME Conclave 2022 in Sindhudurg, Maharashtra that was organized by the Ministry of MSME? Answer only B and C. Which country will hold the presidency of the G20 from December 1, 2022 to November 30, 2023? Answer India. Which country recently launched a long-range ballistic surface-to-surface missile named Khyber Sheikhan, Khyber Buster? Answer Iran. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment recently launched the Scheme for Economic Empowerment of Denotified Tribes, Nomadic Tribes and Semi-Nomadic Tribes, that is SEED. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the SEED scheme? Answer both 2 and 3. Which of the following is correct with respect to the 8th annual meeting of the Indo-German Working Group on Quality Infrastructure? Answer all A, B and C. According to Gold Hub, the Reserve Bank of India has emerged as the dash largest buyer of gold among the world's central banks in 2021, while dash topped the list. Answer second, and Central Bank of Thailand. In which state India's first water taxi service was inaugurated by Sarbananda Sonowal, Union Minister of Ports, Shippings and Waterways? Answer Maharashtra. In February 2022, Dash became the first foreign country to adopt India's UPI system to boost its digital payment platform. Answer Nepal. Name the scheme that recently entered into the 7th year of implementation and also launched Meri Policy Meri Haath doorstep distribution drive to deliver crop insurance policies. Answer Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. In which city the Asia's biggest biocompressed natural gas Gobar Dhan plant at the cost of 150 crore was inaugurated by Narendra Modi in February 2022? Answer Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the regenerating watersheds for agricultural resilience through innovative development, that is reward project, that was implemented in February 2022? Answer option 2. The USD 115 million loan has a maturity period of 15 years including a grace period of 4.5 years. In Feb 2022, Piyush Goyal chaired a meeting on revamping the Department of Commerce to achieve a $2 trillion export target by. Answer 2027. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the Dada Saheb Phalke International Film Festival Awards 2022? Answer all 1, 2 and 3. In February 2022, IUCN declared Dash from Dash as India's first other effective area-based conservation measures site. Answer option 2, Aravalli Biodiversity Park, Gurugram, Haryana. As per a brand valuation report released by Brand Finance, Life Insurance Corporation has been ranked at Dash in the list of insurance brands globally. We have completed half of the questions. Answer 10th. In February 2022, which communication satellite was decommissioned by ISRO through 11 maneuvers after successful completion of 14 years of on-orbit operation? Mention your answers in comment. Option 4, INSAT 4B. In February 2022, State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda and Dash were chosen by Tata Group to finance Air India's old debt. Answer HDFC Bank. Which district secured first rank for most improved aspirational district in Niti Aayog's Delta rankings for December 2021? Answer Malkangiri, Odisha. Which organization recently launched the Jiva program to promote natural farming under its existing watershed and wadi programs in 11 states? Answer NABARD. In February 2022, SEBI restructured its Advisory Committee on Investor Protection and Education Fund. Who is the new chairperson of IPEF Advisory Committee? Answer option 1, Gurumurthy Mahalingam. In February 2022, which country received a grant from the Indian government to implement the Unitary Digital Identity Framework modelled on the Aadhaar card? Answer option 4, Sri Lanka. Which bank recently partnered with Paisa Bazaar to offer a credit card named Paisa on Demand? Answer RBL Bank. Which organization recently launched Community Innovator Fellowship along with Atal Innovation Mission in Niti Aayog? Answer UNDP India. In February 2022, PM Narendra Modi virtually addressed the high-level segment of One Ocean Summit on 11 February 2022. Which of the following points are correct with respect to One Ocean Summit 2022? Answer only B and C. Padma Bhushan awardee Rahul Bajaj passed away recently. In which field did he receive the Padma Bhushan award in 2001? The last 15 questions. Answer Trade and Industries. Who recently got re-elected as the President of Germany for the second consecutive term? Answer Frank Walter Steinmeier. In February 2022, the central government constituted a special purpose vehicle Ken-Betwa Link Project Authority with a 20-member national steering committee for the implementation of the Ken-Betwa Interlinking of Rivers project. The SPV will be headed by the CEO of Additional Secretary rank, who is the present secretary at the Ministry of Jal Shakti. Answer: Pankaj Kumar. Geological Survey of India recently approved to set up of India's first geopark on the banks of the Narmada River. Where will the geopark to be set up? Answer: Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the Brand Finance annual report on the world's most valuable and strongest brands named Global 500 2022? Answer: all A, B and C. The last 10 questions. The Jet Zero Emission announced to launch the world's first hydrogen-powered flying boat, the Jet, by 2023 in which city? Answer: Dubai, UAE. Who became the first Indian man to win the World Games Athlete of the Year 2021 award? Answer: P.R. Srijesh. The Indian Navy recently flight tested the Rafale M fighter jet that will be deployed in which INS? Answer: INS Vikrant. Which institute recently partnered with National Investment and Infrastructure Fund Limited to establish India's first chair in Environmental, Social and Governance? Answer: IIM Ahmedabad. Which insurance company recently launched industry's first artificial intelligence voice bot for automated motor claims? Answer: Edelweiss General Insurance. Who recently got appointed as the new chairperson of Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India for a period of 5 years? Answer: Ravi Mittal. Name the institute that recently installed and commissioned one of India's most powerful supercomputers named Param Pravega under National Supercomputing Mission? Answer: IISc Bangalore. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the winner of 73rd Republic Day Parade 2022? Answer: only C. In which place did PM Narendra Modi recently unveil the world's second tallest statue in sitting posture, Statue of Equality, to commemorate Sri Ramanujacharya? Answer: Hyderabad, Telangana. The last question. Who recently got appointed as the head of the Controller General of Accounts? ஆன்சர் சோனாலி சிங். ஸோ நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற சப்போர்ட்டை வச்சு தான் பார்ட் 2 வீடியோ என்னால் மேக் பண்ண முடியும். தட் இஸ் ஜான்வரியில் இப்போ டாப் 50 பார்த்துருக்கோம், ஃபிப்ரவரியில் டாப் 50 பார்த்துருக்கோம். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட்டு டாப் 50 பார்ட் 2வாக போடலாம் அப்படின்ற ஒரு பிளான் இருக்குது. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு வேணும் அப்படின்னா கமெண்ட்டில் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுங்கள். அதை நான் நிறைய பேர் கேட்டிருந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா பார்ட் 2 வீடியோ மேக் பண்ணலாம். அண்ட் இந்த செஷன் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறேன். பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கும் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் நம்ம அடிக்ட் டு லேர்ன் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிவிட்டு நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் பெல் ஆன் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங். ஸ்டே டியூன்ட்.